very powerful GVO Conference Room, which is a real-time live communication tool that's awesome for the network marketing business or any type of communication business for that matter. Gone are the days in the network marketing industry of inviting people to hotel meetings. Now you can invite them to your live conference room to see a full presentation of what you're offering. And people would rather see a presentation in the comfort of their own home in front of their computer rather than have to go out to some hotel meeting somewhere. And it's very international. You can invite anybody from anywhere in the world to join you in your conference room. So I'm just going to click on the GVO conference link, and you'll see here, this is your room here. This is the link that you'll give to people that you want to go to your conference room. Now you can, first thing, you can edit the settings of your conference room. You can give it a name. If you want to password protect your conference room, you can, and you can give it a description. That information will show up when people log into your conference room, the description and the name of the conference room itself. Now, if a moderator is not present, you can disable video, audio. You can disable all these things if you choose to do so when you're not present. That's completely up to you. If you don't check off those things, people will be able to come in and out of your conference room, chat with each other, interact live in real time without being moderated. Then the homepage URL is the web page that they will see in their browser when they log into the conference room. Great advertising space there. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to click on your room moderators. Okay. Now you can just simply add a new room moderator. I have one here that I've created already. Okay. Just add new moderator. You can give them a name, an email, and really set it up very, very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the conference room now and just show you what it looks like without a moderator and with a moderator. So it's just loading. So I'm going to just put in the name Joel, log in. And this is what an end user would see when they come to your conference room. Really, they have the ability to talk and use their video, as I'm showing you right now here in this video, but that's all they can do. They can text chat as well, so on and so forth. Now I'm going to log in as a moderator to show you the difference. So I've pre-created my moderator code. If you look over here, I've got my room moderators, and I've just copy and paste this into Notepad. So I'm going to copy this moderator code. I'm going to come back to my conference room. I'm going to sign in. I'm going to put this mod code. I'm going to come back and put my password. And depending on the name you give for that person, watch, it'll show up with my name once I log in. So now I'm a moderator. A lot of the changes you'll see is you'll see the flags of the people that are in your conference room, so you know what countries are being represented. You have all these different functions across here. Okay, you have the ability to do what's called hands-free with this button here. And I'm going to just click on it in a sec. So watch the hands-free, what it does. I've just clicked on it. Now I can do a presentation without having to hold down my mouse on the Talk Now button. Equally at that same time, I can click on my browser, and there's my default web page that shows up in the browser. I can even upload a PowerPoint presentation to the system here. So as you can see right now, I don't have any PowerPoint presentations in there. I can also, in a presentation if I want to, go to desktop sharing mode, and I can actually share the desktop of my computer with anybody else that I want to in this conference room. So to share my desktop, you just simply click Start Sharing. And once it grays out, you know it's sharing your desktop. So all the other people in your conference room will be able to see the desktop of your computer. Okay? The next feature, I'm going to stop the sharing here, is Show. In the Show mode, you can actually have a large screen of your conference. Okay? But this is turned off in the default version, in the free version that you're getting. And then, of course, you can control the text chat here as well. So this, as you can see, is a very, very powerful tool to be able to network and do your conferencing with. It's real time, it's collaborative. So I'm just going to sign out here. I'm going to come back to my original page, which is right here. And you can also ban people in your conference room. And the ban function is done in the conference room itself. So I forgot to show you that. Let me just click back, go into the conference room. once I log in, if there were other users, I could highlight those users up here, and then I can simply click here and mute or ban them by kicking out of the room, and completely ban forever over here by clicking that button. So that's a general overview of your conference software. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to showing you the next very powerful marketing tool here at GVO.